Hi, I'm Cameron from VICIVISION UK, and I'm here to show you why you should look at optical measurement for your turn parts rather than traditional methods. By using traditional methods such as height gauges, micrometers, verniers and shadowgraphs, the operator needs a high level of experience and skill. By using a VICIVISION, the operator can get their results within a push of a button and automatically receive their first article inspection report, removing operator skill and experience from the process. With a 1 micron accuracy on diameters, you can have full confidence in the results from your VICIVISION. This will allow you to displace all of your micrometers with one easy-to-use system. The VICIVISION system can very easily measure items such as runout and concentricity, removing the need for the operator to leave their station, go and get a DTI and perform manual measurements on their turn parts. With one measurement system, you can replace multiple different gauges, allowing you to reduce calibration cost and complexity. One system makes life easier for all of your operators. Traditionally, companies can be heavily relying on inspectors and their inspection department. With the VICIVISION, measurements can be done on the shop floor, allowing operators to perform all their manual checks with a high accuracy measurement system. By swapping to an optical measurement system, the operator will receive high accuracy, high repeatability and a very easy to use software, simplifying their measurement process. If you want to find out how VICIVISION can benefit you, get in touch with our team today.